Are you a scale watcher? Many people are. They get on that scale and they weigh themselves multiple times a day and they freak out when the number goes up. And they get really excited when the number goes down. And that can be a problem because many things affect that number on the scale. I think you know this. I'm John Laspina, and I'm here today to tell you to stop getting on that scale. Maybe get on it once a week or once a month, and don't take that number so seriously. It's not fat all the time that you're losing or weighing or measuring on that scale. That scale is measuring your overall weight. You could have a lot of poop in your system and you haven't moved your bowels. You could have a lot of water weight in your system because you haven't urinated. Or ladies, if it's the time of the month and you're retaining water. Men retain water too. Maybe you had a saltier meal the night before and you're retaining water. There are many things that affect that number on the scale. Muscle weighs more than fat. If you're a guy that lifts weights, you're going to be more. If you're gaining weight because you're starting to work out and your muscles are becoming more dense, that's going to show up on the scale. And you're going to say, oh no, I'm getting heavier, and yet I'm eating a ketogenic way of eating. This isn't what I wanted. Don't go by that. Go by the way your clothes fit. You put on the same clothes that were tight, and if the number on the scale stays the same or goes up, but all of a sudden your clothes fit better in the areas where you were fatter, that means you probably lost fat and maybe you gained muscle, which weighs more. You also gain fascia. The connective tissue gets healthier when you eat ketogenically. There are so many wonderful benefits to eating the proper human diet, and the scale is not a good indicator of weight loss all the time. Now, if you're morbidly obese and you have to lose 100 or more pounds, yes, the scale's going to show that, but eventually it's going to freeze, it's going to stop, you're going to put it back on, and it's probably muscle. It's probably fascia. Your bones can even get more dense when you eat healthily. So all of that weighs into that darn number on the scale. Don't take it so seriously. And some scale equipment is different from other scale equipment, and there's too many variables. So a tape measure is more accurate. Take a piece of paper, chart, and graph the measurement of your arms and your legs and your waist and your neck and your hips and your thighs and your calves. And over time, take the same tape measure and you will notice the areas that you want to lose, you'll lose. And the other areas, maybe your arm got bigger because your muscle got bigger, right? Maybe your calves got bigger, but it's not fat, it's muscle. So please consider not fixating on the scale number. And with that, I wish you a wonderful day.